For the ingredients, we have beans, squash, garlic, chili pepper, onion, and of course our crabs and red bell pepper. For the seasoning, salt, and I use magic syrup. And don't forget our coconut cream. Saute the onion and garlic until it turns brown and then add the crab. Cook the crabs for at least 15 minutes until it turns brown. Once crab turns brown, add the coconut cream or coconut milk. And let it cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we can finally add our vegetables such as the squash and the beans, and then just mix it all together and wait for at least 5 minutes. And this is our final dish, and I hope you like it, guys. And if you do like it, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Like and share this video, and see you again soon.